I thought I'd bring my user interface conversation from home, where I've got this set up here, the script editor, which I pulled up from down over here. You click on this little icon, you get the script editor. Now it's already produced the results if I either keyed this in or maybe loaded this script from the computer's hard drive. This would be a MEL script, and if I click and highlight over it, it'll identify it as what I will play or execute with the play or execute button. This would just go through and execute all of them, but I'm just going to execute this one, and when I do that, it sets the playback from 11 minutes to 40, and you can see down here this is the 11 to 40, and watch what happens when I release. I'll actually actuate a new command, so let's make it 5. So this is the playback for 5, and what I did was I copied this and I just simply pasted it down here. So I'm going to paste there. So that's how I got that command, and then to execute it you would just highlight and click play. So a little quickie on the script editor. Everything inside of Maya, all these buttons are simply scripts. If you click on them, it would produce the result. Notice there's nothing in my window here, but if I trigger this script by clicking, it'll put that cube out there. So the cube is then had been created by the command here, polycube, so on and so forth. And here's some other samples of polycubes and polyspheres. And so again, I could either click up there, or I could select, I'm going to get rid of this here, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to select one of my polyspheres, and these parameters, R1, SX20, SY, so forth, and play produces this sphere with those dimensions. And then if I modified, for example, the radius and made it 3, and then trigger this same thing, it makes a larger one. So so upon creation, so the 20, those are the number of subdivisions creating that. The whole system, all of Maya, is functioned by scripts that are written either by you in hand or through a variety of selections on how and what you select in the order in which you select things in the user interface. Alright, now I'm going to go over the whole user interface in a more simplified version.